Verifying your account on Varo is a straightforward process that ensures your identity and secures your financial information. Follow these steps to complete your account verification quickly. Step 1. Download the Varo app. Start by downloading the Varo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and sign into your account. Step 2. Access verification section. Navigate to the account settings or profile section within the app. Look for the option labeled Verify Your Identity or similar to begin the verification process. Step 3. Provide personal information. Enter the required personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Ensure that the information matches your official identification documents. Step 4. Upload identification documents. Take clear photos of your identification documents such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the app's instructions to upload these images securely. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After uploading your documents, submit your verification request. You will receive a confirmation notification once your account has been verified, which usually takes a short time. Completing these steps will help you verify your Varo account efficiently. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Varo's customer support for assistance.